Okay, this wig ain't going nowhere, child. Girl, this quarantine might be over. Y'all better get this wig, okay?
Brian Little.
Japan.
Brian Little.
Japan.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I have another wig from Luvme Hair, you guys, okay? So I went ahead, it's a closure wig that I got from them. It is a 1B27. I think this is what you call this. Is like a honey blonde color. And it is a closure wig with a band attached. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this wig. So the lace is a little too light for me. I'm going to go ahead and apply some of my bronzer onto the back of the lace, and then I'm going to apply the wig. I don't know if I want to wear a side part or a middle part, if I'm going to be honest, and I'm just like putting a sponge on it. I'm going to just put a plastic cap on. I'm not going to use any type of glue. Not plastic cap, I'm sorry. I'm going to go ahead and use this new cap. I'm not going to mold it down or anything, like so. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this wig on. The band first, the combs next. Okay, whew, it's looking real crazy. They do have straps in the back. Like I said, this is a closure wig, so you can always kind of leave your edges out a little bit. What I'm going to use right now is I'm going to use one of their rat tail combs that they provided, and I'm going to use their wax stick. It's like deodorant.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah.
With the wax stick.
Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go claim the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to.
No plucking, no customizing it, or nothing, okay? I'm gonna pluck it a little bit.
Left the behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now, true numb. Cry and get old, cry and get old. Hope you freed your soul, hope you freed your soul. I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah.
Bay for the night. You could be Bay for the night. Bay for the night. You could be.
This is the only amount of baby hair I'm going to use.
You could be paid for the night. I pay for the weed. I pay for the wine. I pay for this life. Still rocking gold chains like I'm Kobe. Bathroom break, I'm doing cocaine. It's that love supreme like Coltrane. You could be paid for the night. You could be paid for the night. You could be paid for the night. I pay for the weed. I pay for the wine. We pay for this life. Still rocking gold chains like I'm Kobe. Bathroom break, I'm doing cocaine. It's that love supreme like Coltrane. Turned on. Please don't go away. These models and these bottles got me drunk. Girl, I like the way that you rock, the way that you dance, the way that you drop. Wanna get you out of this club and into the car and back to my spot. I'ma get you home, we can sip on ice. I could roll this weed, I'ma treat you right. Baby, we could go all night, doing all the things that you like. I'ma kiss your neck, I'ma pull your hair. Well, you could be Bay for the night. Bay for the night. You could be Bay for the night. You could be Bay for the night. You could be.
I'm not going to do much with this hair. I am just going to lightly layer it. And I'm just going to, it's curly hair. I think it's loose wave or loose curl or something like that, or some curl. I can't remember. But I'm just gonna wear it and I'm just gonna wear it in its natural state. I feel like it's easier. And then when it's hot, you don't really wanna do too much to the hair, you know, curl it and all the other stuff. I mean, I want to wear this wig as kind of like easy, kind of pop and go. Because I feel like closure wigs are already like easy pop and goes anyway. And I kind of want to make it completely like just pop and go.
These bottles got me drunk. I'm not used to attention. High school days, I was back in detention. All these girls that I will not mention. They don't fucking Willie B before I got a necklace. Go, youngin'. Cause I got a little money. Made a couple beats, now my jokes all funny. Pay my own lane and I keep on running. Me and Vicky Sticks and these Playboy bunnies. Ha. Playboy bunnies. Yeah. Playboy bunnies. Ha.
And I'm just going to literally put some water on it and I'm going to come back. Like literally y'all, just water, and we're going to see how it looks when I apply the water. Been about 10 minutes. I went ahead and put some earrings on. I went ahead and changed into a pink dress. And then I applied some lashes. So here's how it looks. It's mostly dry. So I'm just going to get a little bit of spread. I'm just kind of mold that down and mold that back. because this does not have any type of glue on it.
For the night. You could be babe for the night.
Okay.
Babe for the night. You could be babe for the night. You could be babe for the night. You could be babe for the night. I pay for the weed, I pay for the wine, I pay for this life.
Just gonna move that right there. Okay. And then last step is to put a little bit of powder on the part, just to make the part a little bigger. I'm going to use my bronzer once again.
I pay for the wine, we pay for this life. Still rocking gold chains like I'm Kobe. Bath and break, I'm doing cocaine. It's that love supreme like Coltrane. Oh, baby.
I just applied some water. I just applied some water to this hair and just scrunched it up. Okay. So this is how it turns out. I think it looks really, really good. Okay guys, so this is the final result. Something super quick, so super easy, summer friendly, heat friendly. It's a closure. You don't have to worry about the whole frontal maintenance thing. It's curly, so it gives you that volume that you want. And it's like a honey blonde color, so it complements the skin. And it's very full.
For the night, you could be paid for the night. I pay for the weed, I pay for the wine, I pay for this life. Still rocking gold